Hi everybody, I hope you're doing great. I am excited because I just ordered off the Louis Vuitton website a piece of the Color Mania collection that I was waiting to complete my collection, and it has been out of stock for months and months and months, and finally they replenished it. I've been stalking the website, so I finally ordered that today, which happens to be Easter, so happy Easter to all of you, of course. But anyway, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, so you can be notified when I do that unboxing. That will be very exciting for me, but hopefully for you too. Okay, so, but let's get to what we're doing here today. I have two unboxings for you. One is a Miu Miu, pair of Miu Miu sunglasses, and the other is a Gucci SLG. So let's get started. Okay, so here are the Miu Miu Sunnies. So I've been looking for a pair of sunglasses that, you know, that you can still see your eyes, you know, when people look at you, that are kind of lighter so that if I am coming from the parking lot into the grocery store or something, I don't have to take my sunglasses off. I can just keep them on and not feel weird, you know, that kind of thing. And so anyways, these popped up on Instagram. They're like trending right now and they look so cool. So let me go ahead and show you these lovely glasses. So these are the runway sunglasses, and so what's so cool about them, as you can see, they're like frameless. It's like the lenses are the frame, you know. So they're really gorgeous. They say Miu Miu right here, and yeah, they just like wrap around. So that's how they look. I did a little reel of them on my Instagram, so I'll put that up by my side here so you can kind of see that little clip of it. But yeah, so I got these. They come in 3 colors. They come in dark slate, which is like a dark charcoal color, which looks really beautiful as well. And then these ones are the mauve. So I kind of think like Miu Miu's, isn't it kind of like their trademark color is mauve? I mean, they, you know, their packaging is all mauve-y or a light pink. And then the ballerina flats that came out years ago, I actually have a pair of those too in the light pink, you know, that one that was really trending all over the place. So it's kind of their vibe. So I got the mauve, and they're kind of like the in-between color. And then they have a light gray color that's almost looks like the kind that where you don't look like you're wearing sunglasses, but you are, that kind of cool look too. So anyway, all 3 colors are really gorgeous. And I wore these recently to my son's little award activity at school, you know, that he was getting an award and stuff. It was an assembly. And I remember it was so windy that day. And I thought, oh, I should get these out because these will be perfect to wear because, you know, being wraparound, they are going to keep the wind from getting in, the dust from getting into your eyes, and I wear contacts, and so that's very helpful to have this. And so they're like, yeah, they're like wearing goggles or something. So I went and I walked in that day, and it was so windy, and these worked out great. They just felt really comfy, you know. And then we had to hang out in the office area before we went back outside to the auditorium. And I just kept them on like I wanted to do, you know, and they didn't feel weird or they didn't seem too dark or anything like that. So that worked out great. And then, yeah, so anyways, really fun sunnies. And yeah, the Miu Miu runway sunglasses. Okay, so let's get to the Gucci SLG. So I got this particular SLG for this bag here. So let me just give you a little background on this one. I got this back in, I think, 2013, around there. We went to a Gucci event at the Rodeo Drive store, and I didn't know anything about Gucci. And they were just showing me bags. And they showed me different Jackie ones and things. And I saw the original Jackie that doesn't come with the additional strap. And I don't know, I was just drawn to this one. I thought it looked nice when I was wearing it. And, you know, I love the piston closure. Yeah, it's so cool. But anyways, yeah, so when I put this on, it's so comfortable. It's like not even there, you know, it's super light, super comfy. And just, you know, I love that, like, it's really sleek, not like out to here. And it kind of reminds me of the Hermes Evelyn. You know, I've never tried it on or anything, but except I don't think it has a top handle kind of vibe like this, you know, for a shoulder. And I think it comes with a non-adjustable long strap, so it's strictly really made for crossbody. I mean, I guess you could wear it on your shoulder, it would just hit low, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, so this one, I didn't really know much about it. I knew it was a lot more expensive than the regular Jackie, but I didn't really realize, you know, the add-ons it had. But obviously it has this additional strap, which is really nice because it's got its own separate hooks as well. And so you can just push this down and then just wear it comfortably as a shoulder bag as well, just a longer one. You can also unattach this and put it on other bags. So yeah, so it's really nice. And I think with the Gucci, with the regular Jackie bags, with the new ones, and even with like the older style ones that they still have, I believe, I think it only comes with this piece. So it comes with an additional strap, but it's more like an extension. It's not really like a strap, a standalone strap where you can unattach and put this on other Gucci bags and things, you know. I believe you have to unbuckle this and then you put the extension strap there, and then that's the way you can wear it like longer, like crossbody or whatever, you know. And it also has this additional charm hook here, right here, an extra piece on its own. And that is for this particular charm. It's got like the Gucci traditional bamboo. You just buckle it on and you can have it here and it can look cute like that too, you know. So anyway, so it has this charm, and but there's one flaw that I find with this bag that I wish it had. Any guesses? But anyway, this is why I got the SLG, to fix that flaw, to make this like super perfect for me. So let's go to the unboxing. So I did order this online. Here's the packaging. You know, Gucci always does amazing packaging. It's got this really pretty, you can see it, beautiful, like kind of floral envelope. And of course it's gonna have, you know, receipts. I think I made myself a little gift note, so that's, I'm sure what that is. And then comes with the Gucci, you know, when you order online, you get the additional bag as well, which is super fun. Oh, and I don't have this size. Every time I get like a different size, that's awesome. So I have, these are always like great to carry around if you have things that you wanna, and you feel like you wanna be a little bougie. That's always fun. Okay, here's the box with some additional paper. Okay, so any guesses? What could make my bag even more perfect? All right, let's do this. Got some care booklets in there. Okay. I haven't seen this in person. I don't think I've ever seen this in person. I got the Gucci, I guess you'd call it the key clay, but it's called the key card case, I think, online. So it's really cute because it's got the signature stripe in front, but if you want to be less flashy, then you could just have it plain on the back, which would obviously match my bag. You can just let it hang here, you know, be fun. So what I thought would be really cool to do with this piece is, let me open it up for you. It's all nice and it's got stuffed paper in here. Okay, so by the way, if you want to see the comparison, I brought it out between the LV one and that one. There's the difference. You can see the LV is a little bit, maybe, well, it's definitely lower. Maybe the LV is a little bit longer. Yeah, maybe a little bit longer. So the issue I have with this bag is that there's no outer pocket. So although I love this opening, you know, the piston opening, it's not a problem for me to open or close it anywhere else except like when I'm in the grocery store line, at the checkout line. I feel like stressed, you know, because when you open this up, this kind of flaps forward, back forward, and it's kind of in the way. And with one hand trying to do this, it just gets stressful. And so I thought, wow, this would have been so perfect if it had an exterior pocket. Okay, so I had to stop the filming of the video because I had to, I couldn't figure out how to open this. I had to look on YouTube on how to do it. So anyways, it's really easy once you figure it out, but you just pull the bottom out and you just twist it like that, and it just opens up for you like that. So I thought because of that additional hook it has for the charm, I could put it right there on that. So let's go ahead and do that. Just pull it back. There we go. And yeah, I took out the additional strap just so you can, you know, not get distracted and actually see the piece. But this way, since it doesn't have the exterior pocket, I can use this and just keep my credit card in here, and that way I don't have to fumble around and try to get in. So, you know, when I'm at the checkout line, I can be like, oh, okay, it's time to pay. Oh, all right, you know, and just gotta get those milk and eggs, right? You know, so anyways, I just think that that would be fun, and I just like it. I think it's a cute piece, you know. The other kind of interesting thing about this too is, I guess, you know, it's a right-handed world, right? So I guess when they made this, you know, they have the charm on this side because they figure most people are right-handed, so you're going to be wearing it like here, right? So they must have the idea of the charm being behind you. But obviously when you're paying for things, I mean, I don't want to key clay with my credit card behind me, right? So it kind of worked out nice for me being a lefty that, you know, I can wear it comfortably like this. I guess if you're right-handed, you would just go ahead and, you know, you would just have the additional strap maybe gone or removed and then just stick it here on this one and then wear it like that. But anyway, so that was just kind of funny. Now I do have this other piece too. If you recall, I had a hard time getting this, but I got it right before it got discontinued. And this is a gorgeous piece. It's super fun too. It's also got the keychain and all that. And I thought about using this instead, but you know, it's a thicker piece. So I didn't want to ruin that whole like sleekness vibe, you know, to it. You know, everything's just like nice and thin and sleek. I didn't want something bulky hanging off it. I think this would be really cute on the Gucci camera bags, you know, that I have. I think that would look really cute. But as far as for this purpose, I just think that this would work out really nice. So yeah, little fun. All right, you guys, so that is my unboxing, and stay tuned for my Color Mania one next. And until next time, bye.